Hello children, in this video we will do question answers of the chapter An Indian American Woman in Space, Kalpana Chawla. An Indian American Woman in Space, Kalpana Chawla. So let's begin. First question is, where was Kalpana Chawla born? Where was Kalpana Chawla born? Why is she called an Indian American? Answer is, Kalpana Chawla was born at Karnal in Haryana. Kalpana Chawla was born at Karnal in Haryana. She was born in India but married to an American and became a naturalized citizen. That's why she is called an Indian American. Next question is, when and why did she go to the US? When and why did she go to the US? Who did she marry? Who did she marry? Answer. After completing her bachelor degree in aeronautical engineering, she went to the US for master degree in aeronautical engineering. She married to an American, Jane Pierre Harrison, who was a flight instructor. मीन्स एरोनॉटिकल इंजीनियरिंग में बैचलर डिग्री कंप्लीट करने के बाद कल्पना चावला अपनी मास्टर डिग्री एरोनॉटिकल इंजीनियरिंग से मास्टर डिग्री करने के लिए यूएस गईं। वहाँ पर उन्होंने एक अमेरिकन से शादी किया जो कि एक फ़्लाइट इंस्ट्रक्टर थे और उनका नाम जेन पेयर हैरिसन था। Next, how did she become an astronaut? What gave her the idea that she could be an astronaut? How did she become an astronaut? वो एस्ट्रोनॉट कैसे बनी और उन्हें कैसे आइडिया मिला कि वो एस्ट्रोनॉट बन सकती हैं? Answer. After completing her bachelor degree in aeronautical engineering, she went to the US for master degree in aeronautical engineering. She earned her PhD in aerospace engineering and was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut in 1994. People around her always encouraged to become what she wanted. एरोनॉटिकल इंजीनियरिंग से बैचलर डिग्री कंप्लीट करने के बाद जब कल्पना चावला यूएस गई मास्टर डिग्री के लिए और फिर उन्होंने एरोस्पेस इंजीनियरिंग से पीएचडी किया, उसके बाद उनका सिलेक्शन हुआ नासा में। 1994 में उनका सिलेक्शन नासा में हुआ ट्रेनिंग के लिए और फिर उनके अगल बगल जितने भी लोग रहते थे, मीन्स उनके साथ जो भी वहाँ पे काम करते थे, वो सभी लोग इन्हें एनकरेज करते थे कि वो जो चाहती हैं वो कर सकती हैं और इस तरह से वो एक एस्ट्रोनॉट बनी। Next question is, what abilities must an astronaut have according to the journalist? What abilities must an astronaut have according to the journalist? जर्नलिस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग एक एस्ट्रोनॉट में कौन सी एबिलिटीज़ होने चाहिए? आंसर. An astronaut should have a lots of knowledge about aeronautical engineering and biology. Next question is, describe Kalpana Chawla's first mission in space. Describe Kalpana Chawla's first mission in space. कल्पना चावला का फर्स्ट मिशन क्या था स्पेस पर? स्पेस में उनका फर्स्ट मिशन क्या था? आंसर. कल्पना चावला's first space mission in the space shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. During this time, she went around the earth 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. Among her colleagues were a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronauts. They performed so many experiments. Next question is, what does Kalpana Chawla say about pursuing a dream? What does Kalpana Chawla say about pursuing a dream? Do you agree with her that success is possible? Do you agree with her that success is possible? Answer is Kalpana said the path from dreams to success does exist. The path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get onto it. Wishing you a great journey. Yes, I do agree with her. Yes, I do agree with her. If we make a goal and work hard for the same, later or sooner we will definitely achieve it. Next exercise is read the newspaper report to find the following facts about the Columbia's ill-fated voyage. First is date and place of liftoff. Date and place of liftoff. Answer is 16 January 2003. 16 January 2003. Next, number of astronauts on board 7. Number of astronauts on board 7. Number of days it stayed in space. Number of days it stayed in space. About 16 days. Number of experiments done by scientists 80 experiments. 80 experiments. Date of return journey is 1st February 2003. 1st February 2003. Height at which it lost contact. Height at which it lost contact. 2 lakh feet. 2 lakh feet. So children, do the exercise in your English notebook. हनीशकल की कॉपी में आपको इन एक्सरसाइज को करने हैं और उसे लर्न करना है. After completing your homework, you have to send it to the class group for correction.